Hi everyone, this is Santiago from pentestreport.com. Today I'm going to be introducing you to RustScan, which is a port scanner similar to Nmap in some ways. This one is written in Rust and it uses some of the async capabilities of Rust language to send thousands of packets at the same time, handle the responses, and get you the port scan result that you want, make them faster. Okay, so I'm going to clone this and show you how it works. So first, let me show you this. So this is an Nmap scan that I ran before recording this video, and I did it before the video because it takes 1 minute 14 seconds to complete, and I didn't want you to wait. So found 4 ports open on this domain, this host, scanme.nmap.org, and I'm going to run a very similar scan using RustScan. So here you can see on the command line that I use, I'm clicking don't do host discovery, don't do the DNS resolution, send batches of thousands, don't retry or retry one, etc. So that's a command line that resembles the configuration that RustScan has by default. Okay, so as I said, I'm going to clone this repository locally, and there are many ways to run RustScan. You can use the Docker image container. I prefer to clone it, and I clone it. I like to look at the code, build it myself, etc. So here is the code, and if we have a look at the make file, you can do make build Linux because that's what I'm running today, Ubuntu. And once this is built, you can run the command. By the way, Nmap and RustScan are not mutually exclusive, so they complement each other. So you can pipe the output of RustScan to Nmap to do more things. For instance, RustScan does not have OS fingerprint or self-fingerprint. It cannot tell you what is running on the open ports, and Nmap can do that, of course. But as I say, if you are doing some recon, some reconnaissance, and you want to do, or you want to find out what was very quickly, then maybe you can use RustScan and then pass the information to Nmap. Okay, so here's, you can see, finished building the release flavor of RustScan, and I can run it. I think it's, you can see the path here. So target, release, and there it is. Okay, so as I said, I'm going to run a very similar command. I want to scan all 65,000 ports. So for that I do -a, scan me is the host, and what else? And then I'm going to pass some options to Nmap automatically. So once again, no host discovery and skip DNS resolution. How much or how fast do you think this is going to be? So Nmap took 1 minute 14 seconds to find those 4 ports. Let's see here. By the way, there is a warning here. I need to increase my system limits, but that's fine. It's still super fast. You can see I already found 3 ports, and the 4th is coming, I hope. Let's give the tool 4 more seconds. So it's port 31,000, and we have 65,000 ports to scan. So as you can see, this is going to finish super quickly. Okay, it took 26 seconds compared to the 1 minute and 14 seconds that Nmap needed. I forgot to pass the time command in front of this, so you can see the world time as well. But yes, here it was 1 minute 14 seconds. Here it's going to be similar to the result that we saw previously, 26 seconds or so. And that's all for today. Let's wait for this to finish and terminate the connection, terminate the video. This is one more tool in your toolbox, of course. There's no better here. It's not RustScan better than Nmap or vice versa. There are different tools for different shops, although both in the port scanning category. Again, 29 seconds versus 1 minute. I hope you enjoyed the video. Until the next one, bye.